Understanding score recording in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, score recording. This term can be quite useful in various contexts, especially if you're interested in music, sports, or academic testing. So, let's dive in and unravel its meanings together. Score recording is a compound phrase in English, consisting of two words, score and recording. The word score can refer to a number of things, such as a musical composition, the points in a game, or a result in a test. Meanwhile, recording implies the act of capturing or documenting something, usually in the form of audio, video, or written records. Understanding these individual words helps us better grasp the overall meaning of the phrase. In a musical context, score recording refers to the process of recording the performance of a musical score. This could mean an orchestra recording a symphony, a band capturing their new song, or even a solo artist recording a piece for an album. It's all about bringing a written musical composition to life through recording. In sports, score recording can mean documenting the scores of a game or a match. This could be keeping track of points in a basketball game, goals in a soccer match, or runs in a cricket game. It's an essential part of sports as it helps in determining the winner and keeping a record of players' performances. In academic or testing scenarios, score recording refers to the process of documenting the results or scores of tests and exams. It's crucial in educational settings as it helps in evaluating students' performance, understanding their strengths and weaknesses, and providing a basis for future learning strategies. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of score recording in various contexts. Whether you're into music, sports, or academics, understanding this term can be quite beneficial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning content.